Digital pathology is revolutionizing how labs operate, but without the right laboratory information system integration, it can turn into a productivity nightmare instead of a performance upgrade. Here are the top 5 things your lab needs to know to successfully integrate your LIS with digital pathology and actually benefit from it. 1. Design for workflow, not just integration. It's tempting to focus only on technical connections, getting your LIS to talk to your digital scanner or viewer, but real success happens when the integration improves how people work. That means a case-centric experience. Pathologists should be able to open a case, review metadata, access digital slides, and sign out reports, all without logging into multiple platforms or copy-pasting IDs. Every click saved is time gained. And when you multiply that across hundreds of cases a day, it's a game changer. 2. Build for speed and system. Your system needs to be fast and stay fast under pressure. Digital pathology means dealing with massive image files and lots of them. If your LIS slows down during uploads, viewer access, or batch case updates, you're not just wasting time, you're risking clinical delays. A modern LIS should support parallel processing, comprehensive background jobs, and load balancing to keep things moving, even during peak hours. 3. Interoperability. Different labs use different scanners. Some use cloud storage. Others rely on on-prem installations. The LIS needs to be able to integrate with all of them. That means support for standards like HL7 and FHIR, as well as vendor-specific formats and authentication protocols. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about connecting. It's about ensuring every piece of data lands exactly where it's needed, when it's needed. 4. Compliance is a built-in feature, not an afterthought. In a regulated field like pathology, compliance isn't optional. It's a requirement baked into every click. A well-integrated LIS should automatically track all user activity, log slide access, and store reports in a way that meets national regulations and local data privacy laws. Beyond that, it should support role-based access, encrypted communication, and lab accreditation requirements, so your lab stays ready for inspections and audits without scrambling at the last minute. 5. Future-proof your digital stack. Digital pathology is just the beginning. Don't get locked into a system that can't evolve. Your LIS should support modular architecture, allowing you to expand into areas like AI-driven diagnostics, remote consultations, multi-site operations, and genomics without a major system overhaul. This isn't just about today's needs. It's about setting up your lab to adapt to tomorrow's technology without breaking what works. The bottom line? Digital pathology has the power to transform diagnostics, but only if your LIS is ready for the challenge. LabOS delivers an AI-driven LIS that ensures diagnostic accuracy while streamlining research processes. Our scalable SaaS platform supports digital pathology and clinical research labs by improving workflow efficiency, managing increasing test volumes, and maintaining compliance, so you can stop juggling systems and start scaling breakthroughs. Click the link in the description to learn more.